I drank celery juice for 7 days, and this is what happened. You won't believe what happened after. In fact, the food may be worse in the supermarket. Well, we're about to change that idea. Celery already contains many amazing health benefits that can not only help improve your health, but also help improve your life. Celery can be consumed as salad, snack, or even celery soup. Here are some tips to include celery as part of your healthy diet. 1. Weight loss. Celery is so low in calories. One stick is only 10 to 15 calories, and its fiber content of 1.6 grams per of cup can put a stop to unhealthy craving. Losing weight requires a caloric deficit. That means that you have to burn more calories than you are eating every day in order to lose weight. Because celery is so low in calories, it's a great snack alternative to add into any diet. 2. Anti-inflammatory. If you are at a risk of cardiovascular disease and cancer, adding celery to your diet can help you prevent chronic inflammation, which is a condition that closely related to those diseases. 3. It improves cholesterol and blood pressure levels. A study by the University of Chicago found that a chemical found in celery called CELERIES reduced cholesterol levels by 7% and blood pressure by 18%. 4. It can reduce the risk of disease related to the stomach lining. Studies have found that the antioxidant in celery can reduce gastric ulcers and the risk of gastritis. 5. It can keep your eyes healthy. Vitamin A, one of the main vitamins found in celery, is known as a vitamin capable of reducing the cornea. This vitamin is also effective in treating dry eyes. So let's say goodbye dry eyes. 6. It can regulate the alkaline balance of your body. Because of its low acidity, celery can help you to stabilize the pH levels in your body and stop acidic buildup. 7. UT treatment. In some places around the world, celery is a common and effective way to treat UTIs. Celery has a diuretic effect, so it helps you expel water without losing too much potassium.